Hello guys, today I received an analog sticks extension, like a KontrolFreek but a lot cheaper, so if you wish to buy KontrolFreek Thumbsticks but not sure in it, you should try this one before. They cost cheaper, I got them for $5, price include a delivery also. They made of silicone and very smooth to use. In package was 4 pairs with different sizes, 2 pairs concave and 2 convex, so you will easily find what will be most suitable for you. You will see a link where I bought it down below in a comment section. They really help in any action game, so see you guys, subscribe, follow if you like, and see you on my Twitch channel. PS, they also help to protect the original thumbsticks, cause as you see, mine is destroyed by my nails.